try to remember what else you saw on that map, Twitch.
Well, Professor, I saw a strange curtain of lights right before the castle of the lightning wizard.
A curtain of lights.
A curious description, for sure. I don't see anything that would indicate any type of light source.
We're bound to see it, if this is the right direction.
Exactly, Lena. We are entering uncharted territory now. Oh, no one has crossed these oceans in ages.
It might be a while before we get any confirmation, Professor.
Agreed, Paddlepop. But I hope it's sooner rather than later. We need that sun crystal desperately. For the legends have spoken of the darkness and the evil creatures that flock to it. Who knows how the kingdom is doing now?
Your Highness, you should lie down and rest. I was merely checking on your condition.
That is of no importance. How is the kingdom and our citizens?
The eclipse continues to grow, slowly, but Paddlepop should be able to find the sun crystal soon.
I hope you're right, Captain.
That fly is mighty nice, Birdie. Don't you think? It would sure fetch a nice price in the black market.
I guess so.
Afraid of seeing another battle, are you?
Aye, your little bird is petrified, Captain. After all, we put it through.
You're right. Poor little treasure tracker. If only you didn't have a nose for the precious stuff. But who cares? Didn't anybody tell you guys that it's not polite to stare?
I'm sorry, Mr. Book. I didn't realize that my friend here had a talking book.
Oh, I saved Mr. Book from the library, Paddlepop.
Hey, Mr. Champerlot, enough with a Mr. Book already. I've got a name, you know.
Oh?
I'm the Book of Malice, if you please.
Oh, that's not a very nice name.
Quite appropriate if you ask me, considering the attitude. Well, maybe I'll just call you Mal then. Oh, yeah, Mal. That's got a nice ring to it.
Neither do I, Lena. But that must be...
The curtain of lights, Professor. I'm sure that's it. Unfortunately...
Let's go for it, Lena.
Roger that, Paddlepop.
Them landowners must be crazy, Captain. They're going straight for the lightning death traps.
Hey, that's exactly where I want them.
Oh, my goodness! What now?
Another vessel with weapons!
Pirates!
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 right behind us!
No, I mean I see it, Paddlepop! The lightning castle!
I don't see anything!
Look up! Through the clouds!
We have to get up there! But these pirates are right on our tail! I have to find a way to...
We'll lead them away, Paddlepop! You must go ahead to the castle!
That's right, before it's too late!
They're not giving up!
We'll be fine, Paddlepop!
All right, let me off, Lena. Be careful, guys!
Good luck, Paddlepop!
He's all right!
Okay, let's lead the pirates away, and fast! Activate the jet boosters, Professor!
At once, Lena!
Little scallywags! We're coming for you! Hello, sweetie!
Lion strength! And I thought the Lion Castle was awesome. We really must be in the magical lands. The Lightning Wizard!
Why does it have to end in fighting, oh handsome wizard? Haven't you heard of a good negotiation? A nice bargain. The sun crystal for your life! Together, sisters!
Of course! The wizard doesn't know I'm on his side!
Don't slow down, Lena! Whew, they're breathing down our neck!
Hold on! I'm gonna try and lose them!
But they're so fast! How are you going to...
With a little altitude, Professor! A little bit of... altitude!
Oh no! Oh yes, I'm starting to like this!
Lena?
If these bilge rats think they can outrun me fine ship, they better think again!
Lena!
taken a turn for the worse.
Captain?
They see it, and we're not backing down.
I commend your bravery, Lena, but are you sure this is the best way to approach this?
Sooner or later, somebody's gotta blink!
Whoa! What are you doing, Lena?
This ain't funny anymore. Shiver me timbers! I've never seen a lass act like this.
Captain?
Nobody's blinking, Lena!
Captain!
Never thought I'd back down to a woman! I'll be seeing you again, you wench! You can count on it!
He's too strong, Nastisha!
Not strong enough!
Lion strength!
He was protecting me all along.
Let's go, guys!
Hurry! The fuel supply might be compromised!
Oh my! Oh my! Oh my!
Yikes! I'm not waiting for that explosion.
Hey, watch it! Watch the pages!
Oh, sorry, Mal.
The Phoenix served us well, Lena. I wish we could have saved it.
I know, Professor.
But maybe we can yet save another bird!
I've got you, little bird. You're safe now.
Time's a wasting, Lena. Paddle Pop's waiting.
Let's go, Professor.
Sisters!
Retreat, witches!
Are you okay, Mal?
Never thought I'd say this to a porcupine, but hug me a little tighter, if you please.
We're almost there, little buddy. Hang in there. No worries. We're all right.
Whoa! Oh! Not that I'm hungry again, but I think we're going to be barbecued critters in a second, Twitch!
What? Follow me!
Lena!
Are you all right?
My apologies for mistaking you as an enemy.
Of course.
I have not seen a friend inside these walls for as long as I can remember. The protection of the Sun Crystal has been my only endeavor.
Paddle Pop!
Well, you're among friends now.
If I may respectfully venture a guess, would that be the Sun Crystal adorning your neck?
You would be right, Wise Owl, but only partly correct. For this is but a third of the Sun Crystal.
A third? You mean there are 2 other pieces?
Yes, I know that you probably seek the Sun Crystal in its entirety, for I have seen the darkness growing again from afar.
But we were told that you had rescued the Sun Crystal whole.
I was the only one who saw it. The clash was an event too great for the Sun Crystal, and it was shattered into 3 pieces onto 3 distant paths, and I was able to save only one. I had kept this knowledge a secret, for if the other pieces fell into evil hands, they would most certainly destroy it, and we would have no hope on a day such as this.
But if the Sun Crystal is broken in 3 pieces, how can we stop the darkness?
The Sun Crystal was forged once by my father.
And it can be forged again.
Keep this piece in your possession, for I grow weak. It took most of my magic to defeat the witches.
You can travel to our kingdom. You'll be safe there.
I have sworn that I would find those lost pieces when the day of reckoning arrives. And that day has come.
You will help us?
The pieces of the crystal must have gone to the brightest places, attracted by the other forces of light. I will travel to the west to find one, and the rest of you brave souls can travel to the bright places in the east. Your guide bird here can lead you there. I will meet you at the Sun Temple in the south to forge the pieces together.
Is it me, or is this old wizard heading straight to disaster?
Mal?
No crystal, no strength. Walking all the way to the east on foot sounds like a death wish to me.
The book is correct. Perhaps you could use some assistance?
Oh, maybe we can go with you, Mr. Wizard. My friend here seems to know a lot about your world. I'm sure together we can help.
Wait,
Yeah, me too. We can go with you. Give you some added muscle.
Wait, Spike, Twitch, you don't have to do this. Maybe we can,
2 every night. His own strength, his own mission. With duty fulfilled, a mighty force, united with his brothers. I would be honored to be in your brave company.
Mal?
well, all right.
Thanks, Mal.
Are you sure you want to do this, guys? On your own? Without us?
Well, we are going with Mal and the kind wizard.
And I've got my magic wand. Nothing's gonna stop us. We need those pieces of the crystal, don't we?
Just make sure you get to that sun temple. All right?
Okay, Paddle Pop. Promise.
The darkness grows quickly, my friends.
Then we must hurry. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon.
Goodbye.